Typing in InDesign but your text disappears? Don't panic, it's still there. Let me show you 3 quick fixes to bring it back. Number 1 is to check for overset text. So what this means is when you see this red plus sign in the bottom the right corner of your text frame, that means your text is overflowing. So what you can do is you click on that one, and then you will have something like this, and you can drag a new text box to continue the flow like so, or just click it anywhere, or just resize your frame like this until you no longer have that red plus sign. Number 2, bring text to front. Sometimes text hides behind an image or shape. So for example, with this bird, I know the text is somewhere there behind it. So what you can do is, you can move it around, or if you're not sure that there's some text behind that, you can also highlight the whole image and you'll be able to see that there's some elements behind that image. So what you can do is you can always just move this around and then just click the text, and it's either you can right click and arrange bring to front, or you can also go to object, arrange, and bring to front. Now you move back the image and the text is already there, and you can move this around. Number 3, check color and layer. So just make sure the text color isn't matching your background. Like for example, you have this background color here and your text has the same color. So all you have to do is just highlight the text, and here you can always change it to anything. There you go. And also you can open the layers panel over here to confirm that the text isn't on a hidden or a locked layer. So what that means is this one, it's visible. If I disable this, it's hidden, and also it's locked. So as long as this is not locked and it's not hidden, you are good to go, and you can change the color of your text. And a bonus tip for you, use the selection tool, which is this one over here, instead of the type tool when adjusting text boxes. It prevents accidental editing. Alright, there you have it. If this fixed your text problem, hit like and save this video. Your future self will thank you when InDesign acts up again.